Eid ul-Adha, mouth-watering recipes. You must try this Eid. As Eid ul-Adha is round the corner, you may be wondering what to cook for your family and friends. Don't worry, we are here to help you with some really amazing and mouth-watering Eid recipes. So let's start. Eid recipes. Check out 2 lip-smacking recipes for Eid. Lorky Ghost. It's a unique dish with unique flavor that comes alive by combining mutton with lorky cooked into the spicy rich gravy. This is a popular delicious combination of lorky and mutton in the form of spicy aromatic dish called Lorky Ghost. It is the very famous everyday recipe, which everyone loves to eat. Ingredients required for Lorky Ghost: 500 gram of mutton, 500 gram of lorky, 3/4 tablespoons of oil, 3 sliced onion, 3 green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1/2 liter of water, green chilies and chopped coriander. Steps for preparing Lorky Ghost. Heat oil in a large pot and saute the onion until it turns brown in color. Add cloves, peppercorn and ginger and garlic paste and stir it well. Add pieces of mutton and saute until it's no longer pink. Add ground turmeric, ground cumin, ground coriander, red chili powder, garam masala and salt and stir it well. Add yogurt and mix it well. Then add water and stir, cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes until the meat is tender. Now add cubed lorky, bottle gourd, green chilies, stir a bit, cover the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the lorky is cooked. Garnish it with freshly chopped coriander and green chilies. Now enjoy this rich, spicy and aromatic Lorky Ghost. You can serve this with boiled rice or naan. Rose sherbet. A rose sherbet is quick, interesting and easy drink, which can be prepared at home using simple ingredients. You can have this refreshing rose drink for festive occasion or during sizzling summer to get relief from the scorching heat. Ingredients required for rose sherbet: rose petals and flavor, rose essence, sugar syrup, milk,